In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively renew your listings on Facebook Marketplace to ensure they stay visible and accessible to potential buyers. Whether you're on your desktop using Chrome or on a mobile device with the Facebook app, managing and boosting your listings can be done with ease. Let's guide you through the process so you can maintain your item's prominence and enhance the chances of a quick sale. First, let's dive into navigating to your marketplace listings. If you're using a web browser like Chrome, start by heading to facebook.com/marketplace/you selling. This link will direct you straight to your active listings page. On the other hand, if you're using the Facebook app on your mobile device, open the app and look for the marketplace icon, which you'll typically find in the lower menu bar. With a quick tap on that icon, you'll be in the Marketplace Hub. From there, simply tap on your profile picture or the option that says Your Listings to access your items. Now that you're viewing your listings, the next step involves identifying which ones you need to renew or relist. Take note that listings on Facebook Marketplace are set to automatically expire after a certain period, typically 7 days. Whether you notice an expired listing that needs renewing or want to boost the visibility of an active one, doing so can give your listing a fresh start. For expired listings, look for a clear Renew button indicating that the item is ready for a relist. Clicking it will allow you to bump the listing back to the top of potential buyers' searches. For active listings that you believe deserve a boost, perhaps to reach a newer audience or because they haven't garnered enough attention yet, you'll begin by tapping on the 3 dots next to the listing. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says either Renew Listing or Relist. Selecting this will refresh the listing and once again bring it to the forefront of search results as if it were a brand new post. The last and crucial step is to confirm and publish your listings again. After you've hit that relist or renew action, this renewal will make your item appear anew, giving potential buyers the impression of fresh opportunities. This strategy is particularly effective in getting renewed interest and can be repeated to maintain visibility. It's important to remember that Facebook allows you to renew your listings once every 7 days. This means you can diligently keep your items in the search spotlight by setting a reminder to repeat this process weekly until your item finds its new owner. Persistence is key in online marketplaces, and utilizing renewals strategically can make all the difference in accelerating your sales. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps routinely, you'll stay ahead in ensuring your listings are consistently attractive to potential buyers, helping you make that sale sooner rather than later.